Samsung may be preparing one of its most exciting smartphones ever. Instead of improving the foldable phone we already know, the company is rumored to be working on something completely different called the Galaxy Z Roll 5G. If the leaks are true, this phone could change the future of smartphones by replacing folding screens with a rollable display, and it might even solve one of the biggest problems people have with foldable devices: the visible screen crease. The biggest highlight of the Galaxy Z Roll 5G is its rollable display. Unlike foldable phones that bend in the middle, this screen can expand and shrink whenever you need more space. When closed, it works like a normal smartphone that's easy to carry in your pocket. But with a simple action, the display rolls out into a much larger screen that feels closer to a tablet. This gives users the best of both worlds. You get a compact phone for everyday use, but when it's time to watch movies, play games, browse the internet, or work on documents, you instantly have a much larger display. Since the screen rolls instead of folding, Samsung could finally eliminate the annoying crease that has been part of foldable phones for years. According to the rumors, Samsung is using durable materials and advanced mechanical parts to make sure the display remains smooth even after thousands of uses. If that works as expected, this could be one of the biggest design upgrades we've seen in years. The rumored display itself sounds very impressive. Reports suggest it could expand to around 10 to 12.4 inches, while offering a fast 144Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. Peak brightness could reach an incredible 3000 nits, making the screen easy to see even under bright sunlight. The display is also expected to have a sharp pixel density, delivering clear text and detailed images. Samsung isn't stopping with just the display. Another interesting feature is built-in health monitoring. Instead of relying only on a smartwatch, the Galaxy Z Roll 5G may include sensors inside the OLED display that can measure your heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels. This means your phone could become another useful tool for tracking your daily health without carrying extra devices. The display may also have a very sharp 500 ppi resolution, making health information easy to read and understand. Whether you're exercising or simply checking your health during the day, all the information could be available right on your phone. Another futuristic feature is the holographic display technology. Samsung is reportedly working on a system that can create 3D-like images using a special holographic layer. Eye tracking and beam steering technology would adjust the image based on where you're looking, making the experience more realistic. For normal videos and apps, the screen would still display everything in beautiful 4K quality. But when compatible content is available, holographic mode could automatically activate, creating a whole new way to enjoy games, entertainment, and even augmented reality apps. Samsung is also rumored to include something rarely seen on a smartphone: an air quality sensor. This sensor could measure pollution levels around you and provide real-time information about the air you're breathing. Whether you're indoors or outside, your phone could warn you about poor air quality and help you make healthier decisions. Looking at the rumored hardware, the Galaxy Z Roll 5G sounds like a true flagship. It may be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor, with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options, reaching 1 TB. The camera system could include a massive 200MP or even 324MP main camera, a 50MP periscope zoom lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. Battery life also looks promising. Rumors point to a huge 8000 mAh battery, with support for up to 100-watt wired fast charging and 25-watt wireless charging. Samsung may also use a titanium frame, IP68 water and dust resistance, S Pen support, and software specially designed to smoothly adjust apps as the screen changes size. Of course, all of these details are still based on leaks and rumors, so nothing is officially confirmed yet. But if Samsung delivers even most of these features, the Galaxy Z Roll 5G could become one of the biggest smartphone innovations in years. Instead of simply improving foldable phones, Samsung may be creating an entirely new category of devices that combines flexibility, power, and futuristic technology into one incredible smartphone.